Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome to Lady Khadija radiallahu anha online college, A-level maths live lesson. This is pure maths year 2 of the Edexcel Pearson UK syllabus. Today we're looking at proving trig identities, and this time it's going to be involving cos 2a. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today's question is prove that 1 plus cos 4 theta is identical to 2 cos squared 2 theta. So looking at this, you don't see any sine 2a or sine a, so you're thinking that it's more likely to be a cos formula that you're going to need to call upon. So let's just go through the cos 2a formulas in this little corner here. We've got cos 2a can be rewritten in 3 different ways. So the first one is it can be rewritten as 2 cos squared a minus 1. It can also be rewritten as 1 minus 2 sine squared a. Let me just put the squares in. And the last one is it can be rewritten as cos squared a minus sine squared a. So it's probably going to be one of these 3 that's going to help if you can pick the right one. So what you're trying to get to is on the right hand side to show that it's 2 cos squared 2 theta. So probably we don't want anything that's got a sine in there. So we can take the last 2 out. And we're probably saying the first one's going to help us more. Okay, so if the first one's going to help us more, then we've got to decide, are we going to work on the left hand side and try and change this to make the right hand side, or are we going to change the right hand side and make it look like the left hand side? So if you compare what we've got here, we've got cos squared, and that's kind of like this cos squared here, and on the left we've got your cos 4 theta. That's a bit like your cos 2a. So we'll probably work on the left hand side, and what we need to know about a is that if we got 4 theta here, then it's probably that a is going to be half of that much. So it's probably that a is equal to 2 theta, so that the 2a becomes 4 theta. So what we have here on the left, this cos 4 theta bit, that's really your cos 2a in disguise. Okay, so let's work on that. Let's take what we don't need to look at straight away to the side. So that's the end that we want to try and reach. Let's put that away, and let's concentrate on this 1 plus cos 4 theta. So what we're saying is this cos 4 theta is really cos 2a, or cos 2a. Let's rewrite this with the theta then. So we want 4 theta to be a 2a, so a is going to be a 2 theta. So let's get 2 theta for the a, and then 4 theta will be for 2a. So then that becomes cos 4 theta can be rewritten as 2 cos squared 2 theta, and then minus 1. So here we've got an exact match. So this bit here, the cos 4 theta, matches the cos 4 theta here. So we can take all of this and we can put it in place of that. Then we notice we've got 1 here and a -1 here, so they can cancel. So you're just left with 2 cos squared 2 theta, and that's exactly what you wanted. Join me again for more on trig identities in our next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.